You are between 18 and 25. You are in the single most important, most crucial decade of your life. This is not a party. This is not a vacation. This is the proving ground. Welcome to the Secret Tribe. The man you will be at 30 is built by the choices you make right now. While the world tells you to have fun and chase comfort, the tribe knows this is a lie. This decade is your one shot to lay the foundation. The world wants you weak, compliant, and broke, distracting you with cheap dopamine and endless scrolling. You have a choice. Be like everyone else, or join the tribe and build. The code for this decade has three parts. First, build your armor. This is your physique. Go to the gym, not as a hobby, but as a duty. Build an aesthetic physique. A strong body houses a strong mind. It commands respect. And dress well. Not with flashy logos. Dress for the man you are building. It is a sign of self-respect. Second, build your wallet. The old path is broken. Stop being a consumer. Become a creator. Use the internet as a weapon, not a distraction. Learn a high-income skill. Coding, sales, content creation. Start a side hustle. Learn to make money while you sleep, or you will work until you die. Third, build your mind. Cut out the noise. Replace hours of scrolling and binging with hours of learning and planning. You must be alone. You must be bored. That is where you will find your focus. That is where you will find your mission. The work is hard. It is lonely. Most men will not choose this path, but the tribe is not for most men. Join us and start the work. Your future self is counting on you.